In this video, I will show you how to install and use WooCommerce. WooCommerce is an online solution for those who want to sell their products online. WooCommerce is the most popular e-commerce solution for WordPress. This tutorial is actually going to be a series dedicated for WooCommerce, and I will link up all the series in the description below. So who is this series for? This series is for those who already own a website but want to add an online store to it. This series is also for those who owns a WooCommerce shop and wants to learn how to add different categories of products. So what kinds of products can you add with WooCommerce? In this series, I'll show you how to add 6 different products. So you will be able to add a simple product, add a variable product, a group product, affiliate product, downloadable product, and a digital or service product. In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up WooCommerce, customize it, and also integrate some payment methods. So in this very video, I will show you how to install WooCommerce and also set it up. This is Swadik here at Dikupages Web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. Let's get started. So I've already logged into my website, and I will head over to plugins, add new. Set plugins. WooCommerce. So WooCommerce is the world's most popular open source e-commerce solution, and it has over 5 million active users. I'll install now. Activate. Okay, our first task is done. We have successfully installed WooCommerce. Now let's set it up. So the first thing you need to do is provide your address. If you are going to sell online, your clients should also know your physical location. So I'll go to address line 1. This is optional, so I'll skip it. Country, Ghana, and I'll look for Northern. City is Tamale. Postcode 00233. Here, if you are setting up the store for a client, you need to check here. So I'm setting up for myself. I'll click on continue. I'll just say no thanks. So I'll choose fashion, electronics, and then education. Continue. So here you need to set up the type of product you'll be selling. So I'll sell physical product, downloadable products, and then I think that's all. The rest of them are paid features. So I'll click on continue. So how many products do you plan to display? Maybe 1,000 plus. You're currently selling somewhere? No. Now WooCommerce would like you to integrate these features with your shop. For instance, if you want to connect your shop to MailChimp, but I don't want to do that, so I'll just toggle off all this. Now click on continue. Now here, WooCommerce will like you to choose the theme you are using on your website. So I'm currently using the Cadence theme. You can decide to choose whatever theme I want to use from this list. But I don't want to do that, so I'll continue with my active theme. Enhance your store with Jetpack and WooCommerce shipping and tax. I don't want to do that. I'll set up everything my own later. So I'll say no thanks. Congratulations, we have successfully installed and set up WooCommerce. So I'll exit out of here. So as soon as you install WooCommerce, it will be added to your side menu, and these are the places you can go to further customize or set up your WooCommerce store. Another feature that will be added to your menu is products. So that is what I will use to add my products. And with products, you can also add categories, tags, and attributes, depending upon the kind of product you want to create. So that is it on how to install and set up WooCommerce. If you find value, please like, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you'll be the first to know. And see you in the next series.